Here we have an Accurpress hydraulic press brake. It is a 130 ton by 16 foot bed. It was new and produced in 2002. As you can see with the close-up, it's in very nice condition. Have a closer look at the hydraulic cylinders. The hydraulic motor and pumps are very quiet. Here we're actuating it with the electric foot trip. Has a multi-stage pressing for rapid, slow, and press. We'll have a closer look at the hydraulic cylinders as they're actuating. Both cylinders look identical, no leaks. So tonnage. They're peaked at about 149 tons. We'll reset it. Press again. This machine does have a display and a programmable control. So 130 ton by 16 foot bed overall. Accurpress hydraulic press brake.